Today I'm going to provide a quick update for the first-time home buyers GST HST rebate for newly built homes, and this is as of January 22nd, 2026, the day I'm posting this video. So for those who don't know, the federal government has proposed a new GST rebate for first-time home buyers on newly built homes, aimed at reducing or eliminating the 5% federal GST. This rebate was approved by the House of Commons back in December 2025, but is not yet law. It doesn't apply yet. It still needs Senate approval and Royal Assent, which is expected to be addressed later after the winter recess. A date has not yet been determined, but February is the expected month for Senate to reconvene. In Ontario, buyers already receive a provincial new housing rebate, and the province has indicated that it may introduce or align a first-time homebuyers PST rebate once the federal program becomes law, and essentially emulate what the federal government is doing. If approved, that could mean additional savings on the provincial portion of HST on top of the federal rebate. One important detail is whether the builder has already built in the current $24,000 Ontario new housing rebate into their pricing, which many builders do. If that's the case, and Ontario moves ahead with the new first-time homebuyers rebate on the provincial portion, the additional savings wouldn't be the full amount again, but rather the new provincial rebate minus the $24,000 already included. Understanding how the new home builder has structured their pricing is key to knowing your true incremental savings. In summary, I feel like there are two key takeaways here. First is that the proposed GST HST rebates have strong political support, but are waiting on the Senate to pass it into law. It could and should represent significant savings for first-time homebuyers purchasing new construction homes. Secondly, it's important to know how each builder you are considering has structured their pricing, to know exactly what the total rebate amount will be once passed into law. Many builders are cooperating with realtors, and having a good realtor who's keeping up on the progress of these rebates is vital. If you're a first-time homebuyer considering a new build, please feel free to reach out anytime. I can introduce you to some great options here in Guelph and our surrounding areas, and keep you informed and educated as Bill C-4 and the rebate seeks Royal Assent. Thanks a lot for joining me, and have a great day.